Here at the Almond Board of California, we're proud to introduce the newly redesigned almonds.com, where we can grow and nurture the future of California almonds with a fresh new look that's both beautiful and functional. When we designed almonds.com, we made it with the industry for the industry to continue our mission of making life better by what we grow and how we grow. With input from the industry, we've simplified and optimized the site, breaking it down into 4 main sections. Our new Why Almonds section tells our sustainability story, explains almond health benefits, and more. But we have everything you'll need under the almond industry and tools and resources, where we've centralized and organized all of our essential documents, videos, and links. About Us highlights what we do, why we do it, and who's behind the scenes working on your behalf. Our search bar puts all the site's info at your fingertips. Using our unique technology to get you where you need to go, you'll find industry news, research, and more. The Almond Industry Tab has a robust processors and suppliers section designed specifically to meet the needs of our handlers. We've got you covered with helpful information on processing safe product, including the Almond Board's good manufacturing practices and a stockpile management guide in English and Spanish, plus information on standards and grades. Here, we've provided Almond Board technical kits in various languages, so you can help buyers across the globe understand the full range of almond attributes. At the bottom of this page, you can view grades cards for your operation, or even order new cards if you're running low. Simply click on the Tools and Resources tab and you'll find the crop reports. From USDA's annual objective report to the Almond Board's monthly position report to Land IQ's spatial acreage maps, the crop reports page has all the latest data you need to stay up to date on industry trends. We've also designed a dashboard of key numbers from the most recent position report, with everything from crop receipts to domestic global shipments to keep market data constantly at your fingertips. Our Tools and Resources tab has a link to the Handler portal, which will operate exactly as before, so you can submit any necessary forms in a timely manner. Have you ever wondered who on the Almond Board is working hard on your behalf? Our Meet the Board and Staff page lets you get to know fellow industry members and board employees who serve our passionate community day in and day out. We invite you to click through and explore the newly redesigned almonds.com.